puppies are a month old. They just ate, so they're playing. They're attacking each other. Looks like the Jack is on the bottom of that pile. All right. Hey, puppies. Somebody's got his own little toy here, Peter. You got some toys? Oh, yeah. Look at these ones. Hey, puppies. There they go. There's Jack's getting even now. And that's Jill that he's chewing on. Let's see where she's at. She's like, help me. And then we have someone playing here. It is Polly. Hi, puppy. See if I can get another view. All right. Hi, puppies. There's Polly. And hey, Jack, let go of Jill so we can see her cute little face. And then, oh, we got Peter. But my light's kind of bright on them. And then, let's get Jack. There's Jack's whole face. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Peter's tired. It's like it's late. All right. There they are. Say good night.